Hello, this is Anthony Hall, Camp Director at Camp Cindy Dew for the year 2017. And this video is going to be used to show you how to log into lawroom.com and to get your sexual harassment training. Now, some of you might still be current on your training. If you log in, just print out your certificate. You'll be in good shape as far as that goes. But if you do need the training, you haven't done it before, this video should help you with that. In the email that I'm going to send you with this video, there will also be the link to the website where you need to go. But if you find yourself without that link, all you really need to do is go to Google or Bing and type in Law Room BSA Training, and the first link that comes up is going to be the one you need. So when you click on it, assuming that you haven't created a registration yet, and for most of you this will be the case, all you need to do is put in a name. So I will just make one up here. Put in an email address that they can send your information to. And this is the important part. You want to select a local council. You want to select Georgia. And then we'll have Northwest Georgia Council, Rome 100 right here. Now, for those of you, most of you, if you're under 18, you're going to choose, yes, you're under 18 during camp. If you're an area director or higher, then what you want to do is click yes, I will be supervising other camp staff. So again, if you're under 18, click yes. Only area directors or higher need to click yes on supervising other camp staff. Once you put in the email address, assuming it's a valid email address, you click submit registration, and what will pop up is the training that you need to do. There's only one possible thing you can click on. It'll say it's assigned to you, and you can take that. So as far as that goes, it's fairly straightforward. If you need to log in, there's a slightly different path. If you go to lawroom/training, there you can click on member login. And if you remember your information, and most likely you don't because you don't ever use this program, you can always click down here that you forgot your login, and then they can send you the information. It is kind of slow. I did it last night, and it took them probably 12 hours to actually send the email. So just be aware of that. If you have any questions, again, you can email me, and I should have a pretty quick response time on that. Thank you.